Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word, however. However means used to introduce a statement that contrasts with or seems to contradict something previously mentioned. You can use however to introduce a contrasting or contradictory statement, often following a previous statement. For example, when presenting an alternative perspective or unexpected result, you would use however to signal the shift in thought. In a sentence, you could say, "The weather forecast predicted rain. However, the skies remained clear throughout the day." Now, repeat after me. However. However. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. I planned to go for a run. However, it started pouring rain. She told him she loved him. However, she didn't mean it. The movie received mixed reviews. However, it still became a box office success. He studied hard for the exam. However, he didn't perform as well as he expected. The team trained extensively for the match. However, they lost by a large margin. She seemed confident in her decision. However, doubts lingered in the back of her mind. The restaurant had excellent reviews. However, the food was disappointing. He appeared calm and collected. However, his hands were trembling. The project was behind schedule. However, they managed to complete it on time. The experiment was carefully designed. However, the results were unexpected. She promised to help. However, she never followed through. The job offered a high salary. However, it required long hours. The book was well written. However, the ending felt rushed. He seemed friendly. However, his actions said otherwise. The test was challenging. However, she aced it with ease. The plan seemed foolproof. However, it failed miserably. They invested heavily in the stock market. However, they lost everything. The house was spacious. However, it lacked natural light. She wanted to travel the world. However, financial constraints prevented her from doing so. The product was advertised as durable. However, it broke after just a few uses. He appeared healthy. However, he was secretly battling an illness. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.